Hey everyone, it's Mark Madden, team leader with Keller Williams Boston Northwest, checking in with your September 2025 market update for Cambridge and Somerville. Let's start with Cambridge. Looking at single-family homes, right now we're still in a seller's market, sitting at just under 3 months of inventory. That's slightly up month over month, but it's still well below the 5 to 6 month level that would start to signal a balanced market. Homes are selling fast, with a median of just 8 days on market, which is 20% quicker than it was last month. The median sold price for a single-family home in Cambridge came in right around $2.49 million, which is down about 19% month over month, but the sold to list price ratio rose to 103.9, which tells us that listings are still selling and are still generating strong competition and going over asking. We also saw a big jump in market activity. New listings rose over 400%, and pending sales were up more than 200% month over month. So while pricing pulled back slightly, buyer engagement surged. That's a good sign of renewed confidence entering this fall market. The median estimated property value in Cambridge is hovering right around $1.94 million, which is relatively flat from last month and down about 6.6 year over year. Again, showing some price normalization after the massive run-up we've seen in recent years. Now, let's shift to Somerville. Somerville is also sitting in a seller's market with just over 2 months of inventory, which is tighter than Cambridge. Homes there are selling in about 15 days, which is a sharp 40% drop in time on market compared to last month. The median sold price for single-family homes was $1.15 million, which is down about 31% month over month, but still keeping Somerville in mind. Somerville's a smaller sample size, which means 1 or 2 high-end or entry-level sales can really swing that median significantly. The sold to list ratio held strong at 101.3%, while new listings jumped 150%. Pending sales dipped slightly. They're down about 25% month over month. That shows us inventory is finally catching up a bit to buyer demand, which could bring a little bit more breathing room into this market. The big story in Somerville is price growth over time. The median estimated value is around $1.55 million, which is up more than 23% year over year. That's one of the strongest appreciation rates in the entire region. So to sum it up, both Cambridge and Somerville remain solidly in seller's market territory. Cambridge is seeing renewed activity after a quiet stretch mid-year, while Somerville continues its long-term climb despite some short fluctuations. As we head into Q4, the key takeaway for agents is this: inventory is still low, competition is still strong, and pricing, while correcting slightly, remains resilient in these core Greater Boston markets. So, if you're an agent working in either community, just keep an eye on those days on market and list to sale ratios. They're the best early indicators of where the fall market is heading. And until next week, I hope you enjoy the day.